Hi guys, welcome back to Home Crux. My name is Priya and today we are going to make a ghost ring holder. Do you guys remember Toby, the sheet ghost candle holder? We are going to make a companion for Toby using this air dry clay. Let's get started. First we are going to wet our hands and roll this air dry clay into a ball. We have rolled the ball of clay into some sort of a cylinder shape. Now we are going to give it shape of a sheet ghost. So we need to flatten the base. You can use your fingers or any tools you may have, but your fingers are the best tool to shape the clay. Make sure that the base is flat. Keep placing it on a flat surface from time to time while you're shaping it. Now since this is a ring holder, we are going to add an arm right here. At this point we are going to place some rings on these hooks to see if they fit. So I might need to thin these a little bit more. These can hold 2 rings each, but now we are going to have to shape it to look like a ghost. It looks pretty cute at this point. We are going to keep shaping. I'm going to have to add a little bit of clay to the arm and blend it. Now we are going to add the elements of a sheet. Just gently press 2 fingers with a gap in between. So our shape is ready. Now we are going to leave it to dry for 24 hours and then we will add our finishing touches. It's been 24 hours. The figurine is not dried completely, but it's perfect time to add some finishing touches. So I'm going to start with eyes. Just a little dab of black paint. And now I'm going to let it dry, and then we are going to add some shades, some light and dark shadows along the rope. Now we are going to take some slightly grey paint and add shadows. All hail ghosting Bob. Does Bob look cute? Let us know in the comments.